Hello, this is Macaulay, and today I'll be doing a video on. This is my first ever video for Pascal beginners, and I'll be learning more about Pascal and how to write programs. Okay, the program that I'm using to write in Pascal code, which I think you should get, is a pretty good program, and I like it. It's called DV Bloodshed Pascal. This program you can get from the link in the description. You can download it and then we can start. Okay, first of all, we're gonna go into DV Pascal, Bloodshed Pascal, and can I start all of those? What may pop up? I don't know. I'm going to go into New Source File. Click the New Source File button, and you will maximize this. Okay, what you want to do is delete all of this inside the box. Okay, your program needs a name, right? Your program needs a name. So to put a name program, there are constants on the program, right? Which would be, as I'll show right now, is program, begin, end. These are commands: unit, begin, end, if, then, while, do, repeat, until, for, to, do. Okay, what we're dealing with today is program, begin, and end. There are also other commands. Okay, so name program, I'm gonna put program space, right? Space, you put space, and then we're gonna put whatever you want to call your program. I'm gonna call mine is hello world 2. Hello, sorry. When you're doing programs, you cannot put a space when you cannot put space. And in Pascal, you do not put spaces, you put underscores to separate stuff. Example, hello, then we put a underscore world. Now after most things you do in the program, you have to put something very important, or your program will not execute. It would need the compiler needs to know you're finished in the statement, so you need to put a semicolon. After we put a semicolon, this is gonna be name of our program. Program name hello world. We're gonna press okay. To start the program officially now, we have to type in another command is begin. Begin obviously is to start a program. Okay. Okay. Now to write something on the screen, we have the command for it is write ln. Write ln. I can't just put write ln and hello whatever da da da. It's a certain way you're supposed to do it. Write ln. We're gonna open brackets and quotes. And the need to comment whatever's in red quotes will be printed on the screen. Whatever's in red quotes will be printed on the screen. So you want write ln, open quotes, write ln, open brackets, open quotes, hello. You do not need underscores. As I said, whatever we put will be printed on screen. So you do not need to put underscores in the write ln statements. Hello world. This is the best Pascal tutorial on YouTube. After this, you're gonna put close quote, close brackets, and can you guess what's gonna come after this?
Yeah.
Remember what is gonna pop after this to ensure the program, the compiler knows that this is the end of the statement. A semicolon. Remember that semicolon after most statements, which I'm gonna show you all of them, which are to we put semicolons after. Okay, after you put the write ln statement, you're to put read ln. Okay, let me talk a little bit more about read ln statements. Read ln statements is to read information that the user inputs into the program. Example, you want the user Please enter the amount of apples you have in your fridge, and the user will put, if the user type in 3, the program read ln is a command for reading the amount of apples. But anyway, we will come to that and further on into the tutorials. We will get to know more about the read line statement. But read line statement is also for pausing the program so you can see what was printed on the program screen. Example, if we didn't have this read line statement and I put end is to obviously end the program. You should and you're to put a full stop after the end program. No semicolon, just a full stop. We're now going to compile the program. This tick right here is to make sure that it has no errors in it, which it shouldn't have any errors. I'm going to save this in libraries, documents. You can create a folder for yourself, save in there, documents. I have a folder, tutorials, and I'm going to call it tut1. I'm going to save it. It's compiling and save there any errors. Total errors are 0, and I want to execute the program so I can see what I have done and feel happy that what I've accomplished. So I'll press execute button, and as you see, it's popping up and it's going back down. We don't want that to happen. So you need to put a read line statement, a read line command, sorry, so the computer will know to stop. And obviously you have to put a semicolon after the read line statement so you will know, so the computer will know that you're ending there. So now I'm going to compile this again and I press execute. It will now show hello world, this is the best Pascal tutorial on YouTube. And now you finish your first, writing your first program. You should be happy of yourself, and that's good. Okay, now also in this program, also in this tutorial, the first tutorial of my series, I'm also going to show you this error that will happen if you did not have semicolon. If you press compile, and you will see it will come up total errors 1. Press continue. It cannot execute it because there's an error in the program, and program can't execute it when there are errors. And down here you will see what the error is. It says fatal syntax error. That means it's syntax. You know what syntax means? Read the command. Fatal syntax error. It says comma semicolon here expected but found read ln. I'm gonna click on it and it should lead me to what is wrong. Now it doesn't always, as it's showing right here, does not always lead you to the exact spot. They will lead to the one on above or below. So always check below or above. So right ln, it says semicolon expected but read line found. So it is expecting a semicolon here, but we see a read line there. So if I put a semicolon there, it should run and it should execute. I'm now going to share another error which will happen if please wait. Okay, minimize this now, and I'm gonna play a few games, gonna play FIFA, and I want to execute the program again. And I press compile the project, and you will see 2 errors come up. Where 2 errors coming up? Because it's already a program opened here, and it cannot open multiple programs. So it says here error while linking. So if I exit out this program that's already here, and I open it again, it should come up. See? Okay, now let's do a little recap. One board put is forward slashes this, while whatever is these forward slashes, you should not see, I mean backward slashes, should not see on, you will not see on the program. It's just for notes. They put it there so you can make notes. Okay, we're gonna put as a note here the title of the program. This is to help you understand what is being done here. Beginning of the program. Start of the program, obviously. Right, Alan? This shows by the user. User only sees what's in red quotes. Read, Alan. Reads info inputted by the user. Also pauses program to be seen. Okay, and the end, obviously, end stops. And those are just some notes there, so obviously you can save it, you can read what's by the file slashes so you can know what happens where in the program. This is Kof McCall and this is the first Pascal tutorial. I hope you like it. If you do like it, please like, and if you want more of these awesome videos, please subscribe. So thank you.